this question, it is given as ABCD is a rhombus and whose diagonals cut at the origin. So this is a rhombus ABCD and these diagonals intersect or cut at origin. Now we need to find out the value of OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. We all know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. What does it mean? It means that OA vector is nothing but the negative of OC vector. Similarly, OB vector is negative of OD vector. So when you add this all four, OA plus OB plus OC plus OD, this OB and OD gets cancelled and OA and OC get cancel each other. So we'll get 0 as the answer to this question. In this question, it is given as C is the midpoint of AB. Let's take AB as a line and C is the midpoint over here. And P is any point outside AB. So assume this as P point outside AB. Then find the value of PA plus PB in terms of PC. So PA is nothing but this, PB is nothing but this. We need to find the value in terms of PC. So if you observe in triangle PAC, we can use triangle law of addition, right? How to use that? PA plus AC gives you PC because PA and AC are the two vectors which are in the same order and PC in the reverse order. So this is the one equation. And one more equation, if you observe in triangle PCB, similarly you can apply the triangle law of addition. That is PB plus BC is nothing but PC. Why? PB and BC are the vectors which are in same order and PC is a vector which is in reverse order. So this becomes your second equation. So we need to add these two equations. So to add these equations, it becomes PA plus PB. If you observe one thing over here, this AC and BC, as C is the midpoint, their length will be equal, but they are in opposite direction. So AC will be negative of BC. So when you add this two vectors, you will get as 0. So when you add this AC and BC, you will get it as 0. And on RHS, you will get it as 2PC. So this is your required answer to this question. In this question, ABC is a triangle and the position vector of vertices are given. That is, this is the position vector of A, that is OA, and this is the position vector of B, that is OB, and this is the position vector of C, that is OC. We need to find what kind of triangle ABC is, whether it is isosceles, equilateral, or right angle, or none of the above. So to do that, first find the vectors of sides of the triangle, that is AB, BC, and CA. So AB is nothing but OB minus OA. So OB minus OA is nothing but minus 3 I cap. 2J and 2J will get cancelled and minus 3 K cap. Similarly, BC is nothing but OC minus O2. 4 I cap and plus 2 J cap minus 4 K cap. CA is nothing but OA minus OC minus I cap minus 2J cap plus 7K cap. From here, if you find the magnitude, you'll get the length of each side. So AB square is nothing but 3 square, that is 9, plus 3 square 9, which gives you 18, and BC square is 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4 plus 4 square 16, which gives you 36. Next, magnitude of CA is 1 plus 4 plus 49, which is nothing but 54. If you observe over here, we'll get it as AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square. So this tells that the triangle ABC is a right angled triangle because sum of square of two sides is equal to the square of third side. In this question, it's given as ABCD is a parallelogram. P and Q are the midpoints of sides BC and CD respectively. And if AP vector plus AQ vector is lambda times of AC vector, we need to find the value of lambda. So this is a parallelogram of ABCD, and P is the midpoint of BC and Q is the midpoint of CD. So for the easier calculation or for the better approach, let's take this A as the origin and this B point as B vector and C as C and D as small d. So we can use the triangle law of addition. So this is the D vector and this becomes the B vector as the parallel vector is B. So how to calculate the C vector? By using the triangle law of addition, we can write the C vector as B plus D. So to get the midpoint, that is P, we it becomes B plus B by 2 because it is the midpoint plus D by 2, which is nothing but B plus D by 2. Similarly, for Q, it becomes B by 2 plus D plus D by 2. We'll get it as B by 2 plus D. So midpoint P has this vector and midpoint Q has this vector. Now we need to find the value of AP vector. As A is the origin, it remains same as the P vector. Similarly, for AQ, it remains same as the Q vector because A is origin over here. Now, let's add this two vectors values. We'll get it as 3b, 3 by 2 of B vector plus 3 by 2 of D vector. From here, we can write it as 3 by 2 of B plus D vector. B plus D is nothing but 3 by 2 of C vector. As A is origin, we can write it as AC vector. So, lambda becomes 3 by 2. Therefore,